it's Sharon. Welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So you went to the thrift store or the Ukay-Ukay as we call it here in the Philippines, and you saw a very beautiful pants or a jeans that you happen to like so much. You even love it. That's exciting. So when you saw it, you fell in love right away with that pants. But the problem is, it is too big on you. You try to fit it on and it was like 4-5 inches bigger. So the question now is, are you going to buy that pants? And you know, it's been contemplating on your head already that, oh my god, do I buy that pants? Will I buy that pants? Because I really like the style, because it was perfect to my liking, and but it's so big. What will you do now? So that is what we are going to remedy today, guys. We are going to resize that oversized pants that you get because you really love the style and you almost cried kasi it is so big. So I am going to show to you or to share to you how you can resize that oversized pants. So if you want to know how to do it, then you better keep on watching. So I already measured how much I will be removing from this pair of pants. So this is like roughly more than 1.5 centimeter on each side, and Sashi already fitted this one. This is the size that fits her perfectly. So turn the pants upside down and I pinning the darts where I wanted to sew. So I am marking this one so that it will be easier for me to follow what I need to sew. So both sides, here and here. Then I also finish ripping the waistband. We'll be attaching this after we sew the darts. So I already sewed the darts, the 2 darts, and I already sewed the waistband also, and I already adjusted this one as well with the new waistband size. So this is how it looks like, and then the last thing to do is to attach the waistband to the pants. Yeah. So I already attached the waistband back, and this is how it looks like. I'm just going to iron this one so that it will be nice and neat. But if you're going to wear this, you won't be able to really recognize this part here. Yes, it would look like as if this is part of the design. So here is our finished project. So that's it for this video. I hope you have learned how to resize that oversized pants or jeans, and it was so easy, right? Give it a thumbs up if you happen to like this video or you have learned to resize your oversized pants. And also make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. If you are not yet subscribed, guys, please do subscribe. And what else? You need also to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something today. So yeah, see you on my next video. Always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. Thank you so much. Bye!